Ho, 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 and welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And we're doing our 12 days of Christmas treats.
That's right, and today is Easy Double Decker Fudge. Let's get to it. Okay guys, we are looking now at the ingredients for Easy Double Decker Fudge. So we've got a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, a cup of peanut butter chips, one teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. You need your pan lined with aluminum foil. You need softened butter, 2 tablespoons. Okay, so I put 1 cup of the peanut butter chips in the bowl. 2 tablespoons of butter. It's softened, that's why it doesn't look like perfectly formed. And also 2/3 of the sweetened condensed milk. You're going to divide it, not put all of it in one bowl because you got to have the rest of it for the other bowl. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put this in the microwave. I think it was for 1 minute. We're going to stir it a couple of times so that it doesn't burn. And when it's smooth, which should be probably about a minute, then we're going to immediately pour it in that dish, and then we're going to go to the second layer. Okay, so we microwaved it. It was about 1 minute. Look at all that peanut butter goodness. I forgot to say this earlier, but you add a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract at this point. And then give it a good mix again. So now we're going to take that and we're going to put it in an ungreased pan, 8-inch square pan. Ungreased, but you do want your aluminum foil on there just so that when you're ready to cut the fudge, you can easily just pull it out of the pan. Not as much as I thought it would be. You?
Nope.
It's going to be really thin fudge pieces. You can tell this is a recipe we actually have never tried before. I've always had it, always wanted to try it. We got it out of a magazine. Taste of Home magazine. Probably 20 years ago. Had never tried it. At this point, we're taking the chocolate chips and we're adding the rest of the sweetened condensed milk. No butter in this one, just the sweetened condensed milk. And we're going to put that in the microwave. I think it's another minute. And we will pick up when I have it melted. Okay, so we got it melted. It's all smooth. We're adding another half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix that in real good. And we're going to take the spatula and make sure we get all our stuff off there. Okay, and we are taking it over here. And these are going to be really thin pieces, but that's all right. You don't really like this kind is going to be really sweet anyway, so you probably want to make them really tiny, little squares. All right, so we are going to cover this and put it in the refrigerator. And after it's chilled for a few hours, you can cut it. And we will show you the finished product. putting some in this container, which again we got from Dollar Tree. So let's see, we're looking at about 15 pieces right there. And this is how much is still sitting there. What do you think?
That's 48 pieces right there.
So that's 30 more.
Mm-hmm.
So you'd get
51, 54, 57. There's 57 pieces left here.
So you could get probably 3 or 4 gifts out of this.
Sure. Okay. So thanks for joining us for the 12 Days of Christmas Treats. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more content from us. Don't forget to comment below and tell us what Christmas treats you're doing, or if you tried one of our recipes, let us know how it went in the comments.
Also tag us on Instagram at The Long Run with Joel and Christy. We'd love to see your creations.
That's right. So for The Long Run with Joel and Christy, I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And don't forget it's the long run. Give yourself a little grace.
Bye.